Hi, and welcome to Miss Shana's Story Time. Today we have a special story about something that you can't see. It's not invisible though, we just can't see it because it's under the ground. I'm going to give you some clues and see if you can guess what I'm talking about. I already gave you one. It's under the ground. Here's another one. It's part of a plant that you can't see. Did anyone guess? It sometimes looks like hairs. Did anyone guess roots? You are right if you did. This is the part of plant that we're going to read today. And did you know what? I bet all of you have eaten a root or many roots at some time. Did you know that this, do you know what this is? And this is a root. Those are potatoes. I bet all of you have eaten potatoes. How about this? You know what that is? A carrot. So I know you've all eaten carrots, whether they're the big ones or the little baby carrots, and maybe some sweet potatoes. Okay, so without further ado, we're gonna have our sparkle root come and help us point out the words as we read them to our story. In our story of roots. What are roots? Roots are parts of plants that are under the stem. Most roots are underground. Some roots are in water. Some roots are even in the air. Why do plants have roots? Well, roots store food for plants. The root hairs soak up the water that the plants need. Roots hold plants in place so they don't tip over. Wow, that's a good thing. Look at that wind. If it wasn't for roots, the trees would just topple over. Let's see here about another little root that's coming from a seed. I bet some of you have eaten a sunflower seeds before. Yeah, roots come from seeds. Roots are the first plant part that comes out of a seed even. Some plants can grow roots from their stems. Other plants can grow roots from their leaves. How big are roots? Roots come in many sizes. Grass roots are short and thin. Some roots are long. Big, long roots like carrots are called tap roots. How many roots can plants have? Here's a radish, and here's some corn, a corn plant. Some plants have one root, like the radish. Some plants have more, like the corn. Some plants may have hundreds of roots. Wow, look at all those roots on that tree. What shapes are roots? Some roots are round, like those, like turnips, radishes. Some roots look like hair, just like those. Right there. The root of this ginger plant is shaped like a person. Huh. Isn't that fun? What color are roots? Roots can be many colors. Some roots are red. Sweet potatoes are, what color are those? Orange. How do people use roots? People use roots for food. When you eat carrots, you are eating roots. Some people eat roots raw. Some people eat baked or fried roots, like baked potatoes or French fries. How do animals use roots? Animals use roots for food too. What animals do we see here? Rabbits, and they're eating some carrots, their favorite. Animals also use roots for hiding. They use roots to make their homes. Here. Like the moles and woodchucks. All right, let's see if you can remember what these root parts are called. Remember what these are called? The ones that have just a long, thick one are tap roots. And how about these ones? They're named like they look like root hairs. Good job. Thank you for reading with me about roots. See you soon.